Well, welcome back to another episode of 506 Garage. We're working on the Can-Am today. This little video is just a short clip of what's going to come up in the next couple days. Santa, hell of a lot better to the Can-Am than he was to me this year. Even got to open the gifts early, and then I get to install them. So, I'll take you through what we got here. We'll just touch quickly on each one, and then I'm going to upload videos of installing everything for you guys so you guys can watch, see how to install all these items. I know some of them are already on YouTube, some of them aren't. So we'll take you through. First of all, get this onto that. Move the G8 out of the way and get this up on the hoist. There's a couple items we don't need it on the hoist for, but might as well do it once, get it up there. That way I can pick it up and lower it down as I go. Okay, so first things first, I bought a TMW dual shear rear pull plate or gusset plate, whatever you want to call it. They're on the website. They're actually on sale, I think $70 US. I live in Canada, so a little bit of a pain to get it shipped here, but no big deal. Then I had a powder coated plum crazy purple. I have a base turbo R. Just like to give it some more color. White and blacks, it's getting boring. So I also picked up shock tower brace. Got it plum crazy purple. There's a white LED in it. So what I'll do is just hook this to the headlights. That way it's on. Also got dual shear, the bulkhead kit. So I never got this powder coated because, well, you're not going to see it anyways. I picked up some Can-Am. I actually got these a wicked good deal. Someone locally was selling them. Perfect shape, just going a different route with his bike. I got those powder coated. Got those powder coated purple as well. So that's my TMW gusset kit and shock tower brace. Some of the dual shear stuff to bring it from shingle shear. Then I got, as you guys all know, some beautiful items from Shock Therapy. Great guys, wicked to deal with. They have some awesome videos, and they got me hooked. So I did the Shock Therapy TLS kit. Haven't had any issues with my rear hubs. I got 2,200 clicks on the bike now. No issues. So I figured for Christmas that the bike should get a little bit of an upgrade. So this is a front sway bar kit, links. I wasn't going to bother buying those, but then I was putting the order in anyways. Figured I might as well add stuff, ship it once. So some bump steer delete kit with the tie rods. The bump steer pieces in here that go into your hub. Some dual rate springs based on my bike. It's a little heavier than it was when it was stock with the audio roof and the front windshield and the cargo that we bring. We do a lot of trail riding up here. So a little bit of ground clearance and then a little bit of better ride and less sag, hopefully, in the long run. As they say, their lifetime warranty. I got some more storage. This goes between the seats, so it's quick, easy install. I'll put a little clip up on that. This here is just a USB charger, and then it also has a battery output, just so I can watch the battery output with the bike, as I got heated seats and also a heater in the bike. And then, to make the wife happy, the last piece of the cab. So this is what I'm going to install first. So install those. And that way the bike will be closed in. Back soft window, front windshield, Inferno heater, and the heated seats. So hopefully it will be nice and warm for the winter. Warmer she stays, the longer I get to stay out and play. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll be uploading videos as I put these on in the next couple days. So lots more content. If you like what you're going to see here soon, like, subscribe, hit the little bell button so you know when they come on. But yeah, the next couple days, I'm going to rip this apart, put it back together, and then take it for a drive. Have a good day, guys. Bye.